Morning all. It's Wednesday the 30th of July. It's about 6:30 in the morning, 5:30 UK time, and we are pulling in. See, we're still moving to Kristiansand. Sand. Kristiansand sand. For our first port of call. We set sail about 5 PM on Monday 28th. We've sailed up the coast of Europe, past Denmark, and we're in Norway, a new country for me and Debs. Thank God it's not raining yet at the moment. Pretty chilly. Everything's soaking wet, so it must have been raining a lot last night. Hopefully it stays dry. At least the wind's a bit down. No, a tender pull, so in effect people are getting ready because they want to get off. We're to about 3:50 this afternoon, 3:40. Our cabin is right at the front of the ship, so every time the ship moves we feel it. That's been a bit of a challenge. Hopefully, be nice. Well, the fact there's not any wind is a relief. And on the videos, this was quite a pretty place.